Cell biology. The components of the cell are specialized in their structure and function. These organelles include the nucleus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vesicles, vacuoles, lysosomes, mitochondria, chloroplasts, and centrioles. A. Cell membrane. The cell membrane, otherwise known as the plasma membrane, encloses the cell and exhibits selective permeability. It regulates the passage of materials into and out of the cell. According to the generally accepted fluid mosaic model, the cell membrane consists of a phospholipid bilayer with proteins embedded throughout. The lipids and many of the proteins can move freely within the membrane. As a result of its lipid bilayer structure, a plasma membrane is readily permeable to both small, nonpolar molecules, such as oxygen, and small polar molecules, such as water. Small charged particles are usually able to cross membranes through protein channels. Some larger charged molecules cross the membrane with the assistance of carrier proteins. B. Nucleus. The nucleus controls the activities of the cell, including cell division. It is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The nucleus contains the DNA, which is complexed with structural proteins called histones to form chromosomes. The nucleus is a dense structure in the nucleus where ribosomal RNA synthesis occurs. Ribosome. Ribosomes are the sites of protein production, and are synthesized by the nucleus. Free ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm, while bound ribosomes line the outer membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, otherwise known as ER, is a network of membrane-enclosed spaces involved in the transport of materials throughout the cell, particularly those materials destined to be secreted by the cell. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus receives vesicles and their contents from the smooth ER, modifies them, repackages them into vesicles, and distributes them to the cell surface by exocytosis. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration within the cell, and hence the suppliers of energy. Each mitochondrion is bounded by an outer and inner phospholipid bilayer. Cytoplasm. Most of the cell's metabolic activity occurs in the cytoplasm. Transport within the cytoplasm occurs by cyclosis, which is the streaming movement within the cell. Vacuole. Vacuoles and vesicles are membrane-bounded sacs involved in the transport of and storage of materials that are ingested, secreted, processed, or digested by the cell. Vacuoles are larger than vesicles and are more likely to be found in the plant than in animal cells. Centrioles. Centrioles are a specialized microtubule involved in the spindle organization during cell division and are not bound by a membrane. Animal cells usually have a pair of centrioles that are oriented at right angles to each other and have a pair of and lie in a region called the centrosome. Plant cells do not contain centrioles.